Well, in order to keep this green, you got to water the living piss out of it, especially 105 next week. So I had to replace the window air conditioner. Right down here, there was a 12,000 cooling BTU one in there. This one is an 8,000. Right now the house is sitting at 65 degrees. It's freaking great. But what I did, this 8,000 cooling BTU air conditioner is a lot louder than the 12 for some reason, or maybe because the compressor's on all the time. And I put this sound barrier up. I made this a couple years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, to knock the sound down. I didn't really kind of finish the job. It worked, but now it works freaking great. Let me show you what I did. As you can see, I cut notches with a jigsaw to conform to the brick and stuff. So now it sits really close to the glass right there. With the other side, this is what's really cool. So I got boom mat and mat 66 to stifle the sound down. Got like 3 layers. The compressor is like right on this side, right over here. And what I did is I just put about 2 or 3 layers around there. All the vent openings, good airflow. And this stuff right here just sucks the sound right out. It just throws the sound out. You come over here. It literally just, you can barely hear it now. Sitting here with Coconut. Coco Bunny! Coco, up here. Look, say hi. Yeah, good girl. She's my helper. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to get some silver matte 66 too. The black is just going to eat up the sun.